Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IAS. This is Takkar Rapid series wherein we are discussing 10 MCQs on daily basis. These 10 MCQs are based on yesterday's current affairs. Okay, so this is class 33 based on 13th January 2023 current affairs. Let us start with first MCQ. Okay, which of the following, or consider the following pairs. Now you can see the pairs we are talking here regarding hydropower projects and river basins. Okay, now look at the framing of the options. Only one pair, only two pairs. How many pairs correctly match? This is the new framing of UPSC this year. So that's why when we are dealing with such kind of question, all four pairs, we need to have correct information about all pairs, otherwise we should skip this kind of question. Many times I am repeating this because we have to follow this year, all of you, we need to focus on this aspect because many students did not pass prelims last year because of this only. Now why it is in news? Tapovan Vishnugarh power project, hydropower project, it is in news because of this Joshimath town in Uttarakhand there is land subsidence happening. Joshimath town is sinking, many times it is in news, and because let's say there are protests by the locals against these hydropower projects including Tapovan Vishnugarh project. Okay, that's why it is in news. Let's see which among these are correctly matched. Now Kiru, okay, this particular hydropower project is in a river basin, it is asking, not across a particular river. ठीक है, हमने specific नहीं रखा है इसको. Now yes, Indus river basin Kiru, this is correctly matched. It is across Chenab river. Chenab river. Tapovan Vishnugarh Ganga river basin, this is also correct. It is across Dhauli Ganga river. Dhauli Ganga river in Uttarakhand. Pakul Dul, yes, it is not across Brahmaputra. Yeah, in Brahmaputra basin. Pakul Dul, we know it is in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is across Chenab river again. Chenab river. Subansiri lower Indus. One can easily eliminate Subansiri is a tributary of Brahmaputra river, and one can eliminate that this is incorrectly matched. It is across Subansiri river in, we can say that, excuse me, across the Subansiri river, Brahmaputra basin. ठीक है, तो ये दो incorrectly matched है, पहले दो जो है वो correctly matched है. How many? Only two pairs are correctly matched here. B should be the answer, right? Now moving on. Now, which of the following are the sources of viscose fiber? Now it is in news because the one of the pressure group, we can say that the body, we can say body of manufacturers of this natural fibers, they are asking to levy the duty, anti-dumping duty against which these foreign countries from where this viscose fibers are being imported in India. ठीक है, इसलिए ये न्यूज़ में है. Now which of the following are the sources of viscose fiber? ऐसा एक standard question बनता है. Select the correct answer using the code given below. These type of questions are being asked in the prelims examination many a times. And yes, if we do not know exactly about what do you mean by viscose fibers, you skip this question. Okay, viscose fiber is basically derived from the natural plants. Okay, this is also called as rayon, a type of rayon we can say. ठीक है, या इसको artificial silk भी बोला जाता है. Artificial silk, okay, or a kind of rayon. ओके, विस्कोस फाइबर. विस्कोस नाम इसलिए किया गया है क्योंकि ये जो जिस पल्प से बनता है, इट इज ए हाईली विस्कस पल्प, एंड दिस विस्कोस फाइबर्स कैन बी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट, वी कैन से बीच प्लांट, और वी कैन से दैट यूकैलिप्टस प्लांट, बैम्बू ट्री, सोया, शुगर केन, बट नॉट फ्रॉम शुगर केन एंड कसवा. देखिए ना, थोड़ा सा फाइबर वाले ट्रीज देखिए ना, यू कैन इजीली एलिमिनेट नो फ्रॉम दैट. फाइबर बात कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा लॉजिक यूज करना है हमें. Okay, so the plants having the long stem, elongated stem, they may be having the fiber. Sweet potato and cassava छोटा सा होता है, अंडरग्राउंड होता है, तो उससे कौन सा फाइबर बनेगा? नहीं बनेगा, right? We can eliminate that too. So third, we can say that, and that's why the answer should be here. D is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Now moving on. Yes, Swami Vivekananda, some statements are being asked. Recently we celebrated National Youth Day, and because of that the question is asked, we have to identify the correct statement about Swami Vivekananda. So yes, he preached the philosophy of Neo-Vedanta. Now this is correct statement. Vedanta, he interpreted Vedas or Vedanta philosophy in a modern manner, in a modern, we can say that way, liberal way, and that's why it is being called as Neo Vedanta. Okay, it's not like the actual Vedanta philosophy that was interpreted or that was given initially or originally, but it is interpreted in a very new manner. That's why Neo Vedanta. He founded Atmiya Sabha in the Calcutta to campaign against adultery and other socialists. This is incorrect. No, when we learn modern history and socio-religious movement, so Atmiya Sabha किनके साथ associated है? Who found this Atmiya Sabha? Rajaram Mohan Roy. Rajaram Mohan Roy. So we can eliminate that statement here. This second statement is incorrect. He was given the name Vivekananda by his Guru Ramakrishna Paramhans. This is also incorrect. His name Vivekananda, we all know that his name was Narendra. ठीक है, ओरिजिनल नेम क्या था? नरेंद्र था, राइट. सो विवेकानंदा नेम वाज गिवन बाय किंग अजीत सिंह. Okay, King Ajit Singh at that time ruling in the eastern India. So he gave this Vivekananda name, not by Guru Ramakrishna Paramhans. Okay, so yes, you should be knowing about Swami Vivekananda from modern history perspective, socio-religious movements that we learn in history. Socio-religious movement. So what was his philosophy? What efforts he did for socio-religious reforms in the country? 2 and 3 is incorrect, 1 only is correct. So A should be the answer here in this case. Okay. Now moving on. Consider the following statements, and these statements are related to Indian polity. Let's talk about this. Correct statements we have to identify, right? Okay. So the Constitution of India has detailed provisions of presiding officers in the Parliament. Now Parliament is having two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, lower house and upper house. Okay, so these two houses are presided by presiding officers. Lok Sabha is presided by speaker, we call him a speaker, and here there is chairman. Okay, so in Rajya Sabha there is chairman, in Lok Sabha there is speaker, and yes, there are specific provisions in the constitution regarding the working, we can say that the appointment process, election process and all these things, they are mentioned in the constitution itself. ठीक है, ये आपको बहुत ही clearly पता होना चाहिए. Then the rules which regulate the election of speaker can be altered through the constitutional amendment. Basically, this is not required. The constitutional amendment is not required. Rather, the constitution provides powers to the Lok Sabha. Powers to the Lok Sabha to change, to make changes in the rules regarding election of speaker. तो वहाँ पे constitution amendment की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, any decision of speaker in the parliament can be questioned in any court of law. ठीक है, यहाँ पे can be लिखा हुआ है. Any court of law लिखा हुआ है. This is incorrect. Okay, we should know that there is clear provision in the constitution that the decisions of the speaker are final and they cannot be questioned in any court of law. ऐसा उन्होंने बोला गया हुआ है. But you should know in Kihito Holohan case, Kihito Holohan case, Supreme Court has clearly mentioned that the decisions of speaker can be questioned. Okay, decisions of the speaker can be questioned on the basis of whether they are having any malefied intention. Basically, the decision is questioned not to, we can say that, question the process, or simply we can say that the decisions are questioned if there is any malefied intent is involved. If let's say the constitutional provisions are bypassed by the speaker in taking decisions, if there is any biased decision taken here, if there is any constitutional provision is compromised, then we can say that that decision is a question and the decision is taken by the Supreme Court in that regard. ठीक है, तो ये 2 और 3 गलत स्टेटमेंट है, करेक्ट पूछा है, अगेन 1 ओनली इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हियर. ओके फाइन, मूविंग ऑन. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल्स इंडस्ट्री. अब इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री न्यूज में है, बी इट बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड-19 बट रिसेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कफ सिरप इशू. ठीक है, सो कफ सिरप गैबन कंट्री में डेथ्स हुई थी चिल्ड्रन की, अफ्रीकन कंट्री, वेस्ट अफ्रीकन कंट्री, तो इसी वजह से ये न्यूज में था. दैट्स व्हाई ओवरऑल फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री पे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. इट इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम. Okay, third largest, but it is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. Generic drugs are basically those drugs whose let's say content of those drug is not patented. Simply we should understand the process and content, all this is not patented, and that's why the cost is very low. Low cost drugs are there. ठीक है, ये जो जेनेरिक ड्रग्स होता है, तो यहाँ पे जो भी कंटेंट होता है उसका वो लो कॉस्ट में प्रोडक्शन होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज इंडिया इज लार्जेस्ट एंड दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया इज कॉल्ड एज फार्मा ऑफ वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, so this second statement is correct. 100% FDI is allowed in both greenfield and brownfield projects. This is incorrect. 100% FDI is allowed in greenfield project, but in brownfield projects automatic route से 74% ही allowed है. Okay, brownfield projects में. Fine. So 2 only is the correct answer here. We have to identify correct statement. B is the correct answer. Right. Moving on. Which of the following is or are features of integrated judicial system? Now we all know that India is having 2 features in the judiciary: integrated judiciary and independent judiciary. When we talk about independent judiciary, it is talking about basically the independence of judiciary as against any kind of interference by executive and parliament, ठीक है, or legislature. Simply you should understand that is independent, and independent judiciary is maintained through that independence is given to the higher judiciary in India, High Court and Supreme Court. Okay, and second feature is integrated. That means there is hierarchy of Supreme Court, High Courts, and we can say that the district courts and subordinate courts. Simply, okay, there is hierarchy. That means the appeal, so High Court acts as a court of appeal for district court, and Supreme Court acts as a court of appeal for High Courts. This is how the integrated is there. There is some kind of overview by High Courts on the subordinate judiciary. There is some kind of overview of Supreme Court over the working of High Courts. ये सारा चीज आपको पता होना चाहिए. Okay, so decision of Supreme Court are binding on all court. This is also true. It is acting as a court of record, or we can say that whatever the decisions are taken by the Supreme Court, all other courts have to follow them. Separation of judiciary from the executive, this is not part of we can say integrated judiciary. ठीक है, तो ये जो separation of judiciary from executive, it is part of our DPSP. And yes, it wants to make judiciary independent. तो ये क्या है? Independence of judiciary. Independent judiciary का feature है. Power of high courts to hear the appeals from the lower courts. Yes, this is correct. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer here regarding integrated judicial system. Okay, moving on. The World Report on Human Rights Conditions. ठीक है, तो this was recently released, and who releases? Which of the following releases this World Report on Human Rights? It is Human Rights Watch. This Human Rights Watch is basically international NGO, non-governmental organization working in the field of protecting human rights. It works on research and development. Every year releases this particular report, World Report on Human Rights Conditions. Okay, and its headquarters is located in New York. ठीक है, headquarter is located in New York, US. Fine. Next is, which of the following characterize the situation of liquidity trap in the economy? Now this is one important concept in economy, and when we talk about liquidity trap, it is basically the higher liquidity is not resulting into higher economic growth. Generally, the government of any country try to infuse the liquidity, money supply in the economy so as to create more demand. There will be more demand, then automatically economic growth starts in the economy. Now in liquidity trap situation, what happens is there is high liquidity in the economy already, but it is not resulting into higher demand and higher economic growth. Along with that, it is resulting into the existing situation of higher interest rates, ठीक है, sorry, lower interest rate and high savings rate. ठीक है, तो हाई लो इंटरेस्ट रेट क्यों होता है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हाई लिक्विडिटी करने के लिए लो इंटरेस्ट रेट रखना पड़ता है. अगर ये इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ा दिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली मनी आउट हो जाएगा और लिक्विडिटी कम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो डिक्लाइन इन द बॉन्ड प्राइसेस ऑल्सो, दिस इज ट्रू. ठीक है, सो डिक्लाइन इन द बॉन्ड प्राइसेस, लो इंटरेस्ट रेट एज वेल एज हाई सेविंग्स रेट. So this is the situation wherein we call it as liquidity trap, and it is not going to result into economic growth. Okay, so D is the correct answer here. Such kind of economy related concepts every year UPSC asks in the prelims examination. All right, last one, sorry, ninth one, with reference to wetlands it is talking. Okay, so Pantanal is the world's largest wetland located in South Africa. It was in recently in news, but it is not located in South Africa. It is located in Brazil. ठीक है, it is largest wetland, and Pantanal, it is located in Brazil. Remember this, but incorrect statement. In India, the wetland rules exclude river channels, paddy fields, and as wetlands. This is true. Okay, the rules which are पार्ट ऑफ एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट वी कैन से वेटलैंड प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, और ये रूल्स जो है दे एक्सक्लूड रिवर चैनल्स एंड पैडी फील्ड्स. ठीक है, एज वेटलैंड. रिमेंबर दिस. फाइन. तो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. वेटलैंड्स इन इंडिया आर अनाउंस्ड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ जल शक्ति. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. वेटलैंड्स एनवायरमेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये लॉजिक करके आप एलिमिनेट करिए. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज. ओके, दिस मिनिस्ट्री इज डिक्लेयरिंग दिस. So second statement only is the correct, so B is the correct answer here. And last question, a community platform famously known as GitHub has been in news recently. Open source platform. ठीक है, तो recently there was article in Hindu newspaper, तो उसके हिसाब से हमने ये question बनाया हुआ है. GitHub open source platform है. Regarding, we can say that software, it is the largest open source developer community platform where users upload their projects and code for others to view, edit and tweak. Okay, so open source, we have to identify the correct statement. This is correct statement. It allows multiple users to edit the content one person at a time. This is not correct. अगर one person at a time होगा तो बहुत time लग जाएगा ना, तो that is not of useful. Of course, it is allowing that in simultaneous manner. ठीक है, simultaneous, multi-purpose, multiple users are basically using that. Open source software development platforms like GitHub in India are managed by Digital India Corporation. Specific information है, but it is incorrect. Not by Digital India Corporation, NIC, National Informatics Center. NIC, National Informatics Center. Remember this. So DIC, Digital India Corporation जो है वो डिजिटल वी कैन से दैट अवेयरनेस, डिजिटल इंडिया जो कैंपेन है हमारा, उसको प्रमोट करने के लिए है. ओके, सो which statement is correct? One only is the correct statement here. We have to identify correct statement. A is the correct answer. Right? Okay, so these are the 10 MCQs. The explanation is given in the description of this video. You can download that. You can read further additional information regarding this. Fine. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. We'll try to resolve that doubt in the coming session. Fine. Okay, thank you.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Lokman IAS and make your UPSC dreams come true. Download the app now.